Beer. It's one of the world's oldest and most beloved beverages. But do you know what terms like IBU, ABV, or dry hopped mean? And does it matter what glass you use for your beer? Today, we're breaking down the basics of beer, its history, glassware, and everything you need to know to sound like a pro at your next beer tasting. Beer has been around for over 7,000 years, with its origins tracing back to ancient Mesopotamia. Back then, beer was brewed using basic techniques and was considered a staple food. Fast forward to today, and beer has become a global phenomenon, complete with unique glassware designed to enhance every sip. So, what exactly is beer? At its core, beer is made from just 4 main ingredients: water, malted barley, hops, and yeast. ABV, or alcohol. By volume tells you how strong the beer is. IBU, or International Bitterness Units, measures the bitterness. Mouthfeel refers to the texture of the beer, light, creamy, or even fizzy. Dry hopped means hops are added late in the brewing process for extra aroma. And lacing? That's the foam patterns left on your glass as you drink, always a good sign. There are 2 main beer families, lagers and ales. Lagers are crisp, clean, and refreshing, fermented at cold temperatures. Ales are rich, bold, and complex, fermented warm. Did you know the right glass can elevate your beer experience? Glassware isn't just about looks, it's designed to enhance flavor, aroma, and presentation. The pint glass is the most versatile, great for lagers, pale ales, and stouts. The tulip glass is perfect for IPAs and Belgian ales. Its flared lip enhances aromas. The snifter is ideal for strong ales or barley wines. Its smaller size traps bold aromas. The Weizen glass is tall and curvy, designed for wheat beers, showcasing their fluffy heads and citrusy aromas. And the Stein or mug is best for lagers and German beers. Its sturdy handle keeps your drink cold longer. From selecting the right glass to pairing beer with food, these basics will help you fully appreciate the art of beer. Whether you're a fan of IPAs, stouts, or lagers, there's always more to explore. Cheers to great beer and even better glassware. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share your favorite beer style or glass in the comments, and subscribe for more fun videos about beer, food, and beyond. Cheers!